Here we have the Homcom rotating L-shaped desk. So let's go ahead and jump into the building process of this desk so we can start putting our gaming station together. As you guys see by all the pieces I took out from the box, this is all white wood with the exception of 2 gray rods. Using power tools and having someone help you put the desk together cuts the assembly time by more than half. It's funny because when I was in the middle of connecting all the boards, I could not see how this could be a desk. For example, here we are building shelves for extra storage, and I did follow all the instructions every step of the way. And here's what we're left with, guys, an L-shaped desk. But this is more than just that because it gives you the versatility to modify it to meet your needs. For example, if you want a really long desk, you can arrange it in such manner. If you have limited space, then you can reduce its size by tucking the shelf side underneath the desk. These go for a decent price as well. Only $120 for this desk. For this setup, I went ahead and I kept it at an L shape. The first thing going up on this desk is this curved monitor, very great quality that will exhibit the Xbox Series X amazing graphics. This Xbox will go on the left side of the monitor, and next to that I attached a headset onto the desk. This side contains 2 large cubbies for some space saving storage. These are some gadgets that I might end up using later, so I'll keep them handy here in these cubbies. I put a yellow decorative emoji frisbee on the corner to add more color to this setup. On the shelf surface, which can be used more as a workstation, I placed a clipboard and a notebook to best illustrate the fact that there's plenty of room to get more work done on this side of the desk, while still having the other side to do some gaming. Check it out, guys, there's a lot more storage space and you'll never run out of room for all your important documents or gadgets. My Prankster the movie poster I hung up on the wall, and as you guys can see, the massage chair fits in perfectly here. I'm really proud of this setup because it's not too complex but also not too simple. It definitely has all I need for work and gaming.